Introducing the Crash Course in Managing and Motivating Teams in Ship Supply Companies, an exclusive program developed by the World Maritime Academy in collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association, ISSA. Are you managing a ship supply team? Let me ask you something. You're running a ship supply team. You've got deliveries to coordinate, vessels to service, staff to manage, and the pressure never really stops. You're good at what you do. But has anyone ever actually taught you how to lead people? Because here's the truth, most managers in ship supply got promoted because they were brilliant at the operational side of the business. Not because they had management training. And so they figured it out. They learned by making mistakes, by dealing with difficult situations with no real tools, and by carrying that weight quietly. Sound familiar? Well, that changes now. Because for the first time, there is a training program built specifically, and exclusively, for managers in the ship supply industry. This is not a generic leadership course dressed up in maritime language. This was built from the ground up for ship supply, for the real pressures, real teams, and real situations you face every day. The program covers 4 powerful sessions. First, the manager's role in ship supply teams, what it actually means to lead, not just supervise. Second, team building in a high-pressure environment, how to create cooperation without slowing your operations down. Third, performance management without HR jargon, improving results through your people, not paperwork. And fourth, engagement, motivation and retention, how to keep your best people in a demanding industry. By the end of this program, you will know how to lead with confidence, even without an HR background. You will know how to build genuine trust across your team, manage performance in a way that actually works, connect with and motivate the different personalities on your team, and, critically, keep your best people from walking out the door. Your instructors, Kelly Panagiotopoulou, Maritime HR Manager and Mentor, and Dr. Katerina Kunster, CEO, World Maritime Academy, are highly accomplished professionals with a wealth of expertise in the field. Both are here to guide you every step of the way.
Why this course matters? Because ship supply is fast and complex. People issues often create operational failures, and most managers are promoted for their technical skills and not leadership. This course is here to fill exactly that gap.
Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs.
Are you ready to elevate your knowledge and skills in maritime? Your team is counting on you. And you deserve the tools to lead them well. Don't wait for the right moment, register now and start building the skills that will make a real difference. You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.